The research path of humanoid robots must be wrong. First of all, as a product, the robot can really help us solve specific problems, such as looking after the elderly and the sick and emergency rescue, or to replace humans to undertake the heavy or dangerous tasks. This is the fundamental value of robots. I take into account the actual application scenarios. With the help of OpenClaw, designed a robot structure that is the most ideal in one's own opinion. Of course, the performance value is also a form of commercial value. Now let's take a look at why this robot structure is the most ideal one in my opinion. Let's first take a look at the overall structure of this robot. If you add a shell skin to it, it will look even more attractive. This robot frame looks like a chair, having 4 legs and 4 arms and 4 dexterous hands. The torso has sufficient flexibility and can rotate and be flattened. The design of the 4 arms is mainly to make up for the deficiencies of humans. When moving heavy objects, you can hold them with 2 hands and use the other 2 hands to support and lift them, which will make it more stable. Fold the arms. Extend the arm forward. Surround. The hugging action can protect personnel from falling off the body when they are caring for the elderly, treating patients, or transporting wounded personnel during wars or emergency rescue operations. This is why I designed it in the shape of a chair. It will play an unexpected role when transporting people. If the person being transported cannot sit up, we can also lay it flat and use it as a stretcher. Let's take a look at the robots walking next. This machine can walk like an ordinary robot dog. However, his 4 feet can be transformed into 4 wheels. This design enables it to move at high speed on flat roads just like a car. Let's take a look at standing onto feet. When this robot stands onto feet, it can reach for higher objects and work in a higher environment. When this robot stands onto feet, it can reach for higher objects and work in a higher environment. Finally, let's take a look at the effect of the folding storage. This robot can be transformed into a rectangular shape when fully folded. This will enable it to be easily transported by courier after industrial-scale production, facilitating the purchase by individual users. Okay, I hope that robot manufacturers can see this idea and produce it to benefit humanity.